Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by pausing Minecraft and opening options, then accessibility. Once there, locate the narrator toggle. It's labeled clearly as narrator or text-to-speech. Turn that setting to off. This immediately stops in-game narration. If you're running a voice mod, make sure to note its exact name now because you'll disable that next. Make sure the game saves settings by exiting the menu with save or back, then continue to the next step to remove remaining sources of narration. Once done with the accessibility toggle, inspect resource packs and mods. Open the resource packs and behavior packs menus and remove any pack that mentions voice, narration, or accessibility audio. Then open your mods list and disable any TTS or narration mods. You can also move the mod file out of the mods folder. After you disable or remove them, restart Minecraft to clear cached audio hooks. This ensures third-party voice sources stop speaking. To finish, check your operating system's accessibility features. On Windows, press Win plus Control plus Enter to toggle narrator off. On Mac OS, disable voice-over with Command plus F5. If narration persists, reset Minecraft to default settings or reinstall the offending mod or resource pack. Make sure to test in a new world so saved settings don't reintroduce it. If nothing else works, restart your device. That clears lingering processes. If the narrator still appears, note exact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.